Hey everyone, it's Karen, and in this video, you'll get a way to post videos on YouTube and make money up to $7,000 per month. I'm going to bring out my friend Victor, and he has done this. He's going to show you how to find the video topics and how he made $1,000 just with ad revenue in 10 days with just 2 videos. Can you imagine being able to replace your income just by posting videos on YouTube? Well, it's absolutely possible, and you don't need any experience and you don't need any money. You just need a huge desire to change your life, because this will take hard work, determination, and persistence. But it will be worth it when you can have that financial and time freedom and be able to supplement your income, or be at the point like Victor that you could replace your full-time income. But make sure you stick around to the end, because we're going to share with you a hack that Victor uses that can absolutely blow up your channel. I'm super excited to share this information with you. If you're excited, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below YouTube money, and we're getting started right now. Victor, and I only say Victor because I cannot pronounce his last name. He has 133,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel and gains 9,000 subscribers a month. And he's going to explain to you how he finds video topics for his channel. Here's what he said.
How do you find ideas? That's exactly what you do. You go to these YouTubers that are in the same niche as you, and you watch their videos, and you watch the videos that are getting a bunch of views, and then you do your own version of that video. Okay? You change up, of course, you change up the thumbnail and things like that, but you do your own version of it.
Right. So you're going to, let's say you have maybe 10 channels that you're going to model after. Or you could see yourself doing similar videos, because they're not like, I can't see myself doing videos as someone who's just really hyper, and it's just not me.
No, and here's the other thing that I want to point out, okay? Because my videos sometimes, Karen, can be really, like dramatic and, hypey and all that other stuff.
I think you've calmed down a lot, though.
Well, I did that on purpose, okay? I actually did that with these 2 videos on purpose. Because normally I don't even come out on the screen when I'm doing my YouTube videos. I only do like with the pattern interrupts, where I like in the middle of the video, I'll jump in there and say, hey, subscribe to my channel, blah, 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 right? I'll come out on the video like that. I'll also come out on the video sometimes on my intro, right?
Yeah.
In these videos, I did 0 hype. And this, let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. I started off the video just like this. This is my intro.
But that's perfect for somebody just getting started.
This is the point. There's no intro, there's no hypey, like B-roll film. I didn't use any of that in this video. And this is a 15-minute video. Look how many likes I got here, and look how many dislikes. Normally, if I get 1,000 likes, I've got like 200 dislikes. And I've got a lot. Look at all these comments. Of course, I got some spam. Thank you for the video. How to promote it. That's awesome. Awesome video. Thanks, big boss. Hi, Victor. Happy I came across your video. Fantastic video. I'm used to getting a lot of negative comments because I do hypey stuff, and I get that. But this was actually real good content. You take like maybe 10 people in your niche that you could see doing similar videos to, like maybe they're kind of your same style or personality. And then do you go and look at like maybe the last 2 or 3 weeks and see the videos that are getting the most views, and then those are the ones that you model after? Yeah, I don't want something that's been on too long, because things have changed or whatever. So let me show you exactly what I do. Okay? Or if you do like the trending ones. Right. So here, I'll go to my home. Here, I'll go home. So if you look at, these are the people that I follow here. Okay. All of these people here. All right. So what I'll do is I'll go to, let's say, Investor. He has a similar channel as I do. He's a young kid, really good content, smart as heck. I'll look at his videos, but like, this is the guy right here, Ross Minchev, is where I got these ClickBank ideas from. Oh, I've never heard of him. Oh yeah, I didn't either until I came across this, and I watched it and I was so impressed. I was like, gosh, I got to do that video. So here, I'm going to click on his channel. Let me show you what I did when I saw his video. He only has 17,000 subscribers, right? Which is still good. I mean, but it's not like 100,000, right? So I went to his videos. All right. This guy's really smart. and I went to his most popular right here. I clicked on that. Okay. Complete ClickBank tutorial, how to make money as a beginner step by step.
And that was recent.
That's recent.
Yeah.
Now here's the video that I replicated. Can you see my screen here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So these are the last two videos I did. See, 1 week ago, 6 days ago, right? All right. Now, if you look at this video, I'm gonna go to the analytics real quick. This video has to do with ClickBank and Google. Look at this right here. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, this is in. I published this on the 25th, about 10 days ago. This was the first one I did, and the second one is right after this. But here's what I want you to look at right here. Look at this. So these are the last two videos I did. See, 1 week ago, 6 days ago, right? All right. Now, if you look at this video, I'm gonna go to the analytics real quick. This video has to do with ClickBank and Google. Look at this right here. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, this is in. I published this on the 25th, about 10 days ago. This was the first one I did, and the second one is right after this. But here's what I want you to look at right here. Look at the CPM here. This was actually at $100, and it drops a little bit as you get more views, but my RPM is super huge. I mean, this is impressive stuff. And because I promoted it, and then I shot it to my list. Now I'm getting, I'm sorry, this is not what I meant right here. Now I'm getting suggested at 44% now. So YouTube is helping me promote my own video now. I mean, you see this line, it keeps going up and up and up.
Yeah, maybe that'll want to go viral for you. Yeah,
so that's an example of a video. And I've gained some subscribers with it too. Overview, I've gained 400 subscribers on this video. But then I can go to the second one, and I did a similar video. It's about ClickBank, even though it's different. It's Google hack, and I put ClickBank in here. So if I go to the analytics on this one, and this is great information for somebody. Oh, that's the same one I did. I'm sorry. This is the most recent one I did right here. This one. If I go to analytics, doesn't have as many views, but look at the income I've made, and I shot this on the 29th, and today's the 6th. Okay, but look at the once again, the CPM. That's one of the higher CPMs you'll see. Okay, and in case whoever's watching this that doesn't know what CPM, that's cost per mil. How much money YouTube is paying me for every 1,000 views, right?
You get half of that, right? I
get about half of that, right? That's exactly right. So, anyway, these are great, and then suggested videos again is one of the highest way that I'm getting traffic. YouTube is suggesting my video more and more and more now. You know, so
I think that's because of the topic that you're talking about.
Well, because of the topic, and not only that, but because of the views that I initially got because of the topic. Because people are looking at how to make money for ClickBank. They're looking, and so I use the word ClickBank in the description, as you can see right here, right? Just copy and paste free step by step, and I did step by step make money on ClickBank 2021.
And the word free.
And the word free, exactly. And the word step by step, because people like that. People want to learn step by step. They want somebody to take them by the hand, right? So I did that on purpose. If you look at this one as well, okay, this one here, fastest way to make money on ClickBank, $1,600 plus secret Google hack step-by-step tutorial. You see? So these are great ideas for somebody new. They can replicate my video if they want, do their own version of it, you know, because I got these ideas from other people myself. So
that's what I was going to ask you. Yeah. Is that title and the video that's modeled after someone else's videos?
The title I changed up.
Yeah.
Okay. The video is definitely modeled after somebody else's, right? But I kind of changed it up just a little bit more. added a couple of things. So the title I did similar to what they had, but I changed it up because I also changed up the amount of money here on my on the actual title. I changed up the word hack. This was a trick, I think, on the original video. I put hack, and then he had step by step. I put step by step tutorial. So I just changed it up a little bit, and I used a lot of the same tags. But his video has gotten a bunch of views, and he's only got like 15 or 20,000 subscribers, and his video had like 60,000 views.
Okay.
So
the arrow there, because that grabs people's attention, the red arrow.
I'm really big on arrows and big text. I'm really big on that. Okay. That really grabs people's attention for real. It works. So
that's awesome.
Yeah. So, I mean, in 10 days, just in AdSense revenue, I've earned over $1,000 on both these videos.
So I bet you're going to replicate similar topics. Oh, and speaking of making money online, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation and be able to work directly with me, go ahead and click the link above and check it out if you'd like. So you might be thinking you can't do this, you can't start a YouTube channel because you don't have time, you work full-time. Well, I work full-time still, Victor works full-time, and he has a super busy life. So I wanted to ask him, how does he fit growing a YouTube channel into his everyday life? Here's what he said.
Oh gosh, it can be hectic sometimes, with, this with a full-time job and, with family responsibilities, we all have those as well. So I set a schedule for myself to do YouTube. I do TikTok videos throughout the week simply because, and I'll talk about that first, simply because I can create those in about 15 minutes. Okay. Edit them. I don't even edit them. I just create them, tag them, and then post them, so I can pretty much do almost one per day. Even if I'm at work, I can do a TikTok video, so I think that's something that I'm doing more of now because it's the easiest way to get exposure to either my YouTube channel. Even if I can't make a YouTube video that day, I still am getting exposure to my channel with the videos that I currently have through TikTok. So I'm utilizing TikTok as a vehicle or a tool to get them to my actual YouTube channel. And I've seen my channel start growing much faster now. I'm starting to get 800 or 1,000 subscribers a day now, where before I was getting that at one point when I really started blowing up on YouTube, but then it started dying down and I was getting, 200, 250, 300 a day, which is still good. Don't get me wrong. Okay. But now I'm starting to see that I'm getting 800 to 1,000 a day again. So, and I'm going to give credit to TikTok more than anything else because I direct people to my YouTube channel. I just got off of a live on TikTok right now. Okay. A little while ago. I do TikTok lives also on my days off. That's how you get people exposed to your offer. And that's how you get people exposed to your channel. And it's much warmer because they're talking to you and they see you. It's like YouTube, right? So I did like an hour and a half live, and I had an average of 35, 40 people on there at one time, an average. And a lot of those people jumped on my YouTube channel. They subscribed. A lot of those people opted into Jonathan's course, the other thing I'm promoting. So, it's powerful. So I'm using TikTok as a tool right now. But I can work that into the week on a daily basis almost. I can do a TikTok video almost every day if I want to be honest with you. So I'm still getting exposure to my affiliate programs and to my YouTube video because of TikTok. Now, moving over to YouTube. I've on a schedule with YouTube where I can create maybe 2 videos a week, and I do that. Today's my YouTube day. So, okay. So after we're done with our live here or with our Zoom call here, I'm going to start the process of creating my YouTube video. Also, Wednesdays are usually my YouTube day because I usually take Wednesdays off. So it's hard for me with the type of YouTube content that I create to do that after I get off of work or something. It really is difficult because, you know, I won't get
That's
home
what I
till
usually
6,
do.
yeah, 7 o'clock. And the process that I have, no, I've kind of cut it down a bit, but it still takes me 4 to 5 hours, maybe 3 to 4 hours now. But it's still too much after a long day of work and this and that. So I can do that on my day out. But also my channel is at a point where it can support me only doing 2 videos a week. I think for somebody who's beginning, they really need to push themselves to find that time, even if it is late at night, or even if it is getting up like Jonathan did. He got up 3, 4 o'clock in the morning to create content right before he went to work, you know. So this is before he retired from his full-time job, you know. So he was doing the same thing as we were doing, you know, because he knew he needed to get his brand out there. He needed to get the YouTube algorithm to recognize him as an authority on the platform. And the only way to do that at the very beginning is to be consistent every day. Now, what I would suggest, because most new people aren't going to spend 4 or 5 hours creating a YouTube video like I do right now, because I do all this fancy editing and I do, you know, whatever intros, and most people starting a YouTube channel don't need to do that. They just need to get some content out. So my suggestion is, especially if you're full-time working somewhere else, is to create 2 or 3 videos a day and then put them on a schedule them to upload at certain every day, and then to do 2 more videos, you know. And then while you've got the first 3 or 4 videos on a schedule, jump on TikTok, start promoting your channel, getting more exposure quicker. You see, I mean, that's what I would suggest. You know, make Saturday and Sunday your YouTube creation day. Okay, create 5 videos between Saturday and Sunday. Again, you're not going to spend 3 or 4 hours creating a video. It doesn't have to be that long. Okay, you could spend an hour and a half on each video for somebody new, because they're not going to do all this editing and stuff that we do now. You know, they just don't. They're not at that level yet, and they shouldn't have to at this point. Get the good content out there, create some good, you know, content, some valuable stuff, and then batch create them, and then start, you know, uploading them on a schedule.
So here's the tip that Victor had that will help you explode your channel. Let's listen in and hear what he had to say.
The strategy that I learned on TikTok is to, like, for instance, if you go to like, you know, one of your videos, right? You know, how to make, you know, $200 an hour typing, whatever, right? In my TikTok video, I'll say something like this, you know, earn $200 plus typing, and then I'll show the website on my screen. Okay. And I'll say, you need to go to this website, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And then from here, you need to go to a second website. And then you get back on the TikTok camera and say, to get the full step-by-step, watch my YouTube video. And then you show up you show a screenshot of the camera on your YouTube channel on that video. There's a link in my bio to click on my YouTube channel. That's how you start getting traffic, because they want to know the whole story. You know, you're giving them a little bit, you're not giving them all on the TikTok platform.
So I hope you take these tips and go out there and crush it on YouTube. And if you like this video, I think you really like this video coming up, how to make $7,500 per month re-uploading videos on YouTube. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.